Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Hey, welcome to The Explainer. So have you ever wondered what it really takes to succeed in this new world of AI? I mean, not just to survive, but to actually thrive? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the new AI skill set you need to know. Let's get right into it. All right, so here's our game plan. We're going to follow a simple path together, leveling up your skills from just a basic user all the way to a strategic partner with AI. And we're going to start with the big challenge that everyone seems to be talking about right now. Yeah, this quote really just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? The technology is here, it's incredibly powerful, but there's this huge gap when it comes to the human skills needed to use it well. And let's be super clear about something. This isn't about becoming a coder. It's about learning to think differently, to collaborate with AI in a totally new way. Okay, so where do we even begin? Well, we're going to start with something I bet you've already done. Just talking to an AI. This is really level one, the foundation of everything else. We're going to look at how you move from asking simple questions to having genuinely productive conversations. And, believe it or not, most of us are already amateur prompt engineers and we don't even realize it. Seriously, every single time you type a question into a tool like ChatGPT, you're practicing this art of guiding an AI to get the result you actually want. Just look at how this conversation develops. It's really a teaching process, right? We start off with a super vague question and, well, the AI completely misses the mark. So what do? We clarify. Then we get even more specific about what we're actually trying to do, our intent. And what's so cool is that by the end of this little back and forth, the AI has learned from us. That original simple prompt, it now gives us the perfect answer because we've built that context together. Okay, but this is where we really level up. Because getting good with AI isn't just about finding the perfect words. That's prompt engineering. That's a language skill. The real game changer, the next level, is what's called problem formulation. And that's a comprehension skill. It's all about taking a step back and really truly understanding the problem you're trying to solve before you even think about writing a prompt. All right, so once you've nailed down how to define your problems, what's the next step? Well, you go from having a single conversation to designing an entire system. This is our second big level up, becoming what we call an AI architect. And this is a huge mental shift. You stop being someone who just uses an AI tool, and you become someone who designs entire AI-powered workflows that can automate all sorts of tasks. And you know what the most exciting part is? You don't have to write a single line of code to do it. It's not about being a programmer. So an AI architect basically thinks in three phases. First, you have the design phase. You map out the workflow. What's the actual goal here? Then you build it. You start connecting different apps and AI tools, often with simple, drag and drop interfaces. And finally, you deploy it, making sure there are guardrails and that a human is still in the loop to oversee the whole system. I mean, this really says it all. The most impactful people working today, they don't just prompt, they architect. Prompting is like asking the AI for one light bulb, one good idea. Architecting, that's like building the entire factory that can produce thousands of those light bulbs automatically. The real power isn't in the one-off answer. It's in creating systems that can scale. And again, this is all about logic and structure, not super complex code. Okay, now for our third and honestly most important level up. This one is less about a specific technical skill and more about a fundamental shift in how we think about our relationship with AI. It's about moving from being a user or even an architect to becoming a true co-pilot. We hear all the time about the dangers of AI just racing ahead on its own. This question here completely flips that narrative. What if the goal isn't just a smarter AI? What if the real goal is a future where humans and AI actually make each other smarter? It's a much safer, more collaborative, and honestly, more human-centric vision for the future. And this illustration just shows the difference so perfectly. On the left, you've got that common, kind of scary idea of AI just improving itself over and over in its own loop. But look at the right. That's the collaborative vision of co-improvement. You see the human and the AI are in this constant feedback loop where both are getting smarter together. So what does this actually look like day to day? Well, it means we're brainstorming with AI, we're co-designing experiments with it, and we're analyzing the results right alongside it. But here's the most important part, right here at the bottom. We co-develop the safety rules. We literally teach the AI our values and our constraints. That way, we ensure that as it gets more and more powerful, it stays aligned with what's best for us.
And this kind of partnership with AI unlocks an incredibly powerful skill, sense-making. It's the difference between asking, what were our sales numbers, and asking, okay, why are our sales dipping in this one region? And what are the hidden factors at play that we're not seeing? It's all about connecting the dots to find the real why behind the data.
Okay, so we've gone on this whole journey, right? From prompt engineer to system architect to AI copilot. But with technology changing this fast, what is the one skill that will truly future-proof your career through all of this?
Well, as Demis Hassabis, the CEO of Google DeepMind, points out, the pace of change is just accelerating so fast that no single technical skill is going to last forever. The tools that are hot today might be totally obsolete in just a few years. And that brings us to the ultimate meta skill for the age of AI. It's not about what you know right this second, because that's guaranteed to change. It's about your ability to continuously learn, to adapt, and to reinvent yourself. Your most valuable asset, by far, is your ability to learn.
And really, that's the opportunity in front of every single one of us. We can just be passive observers of all this new technology, or we can become active creators. The path from user to architect to co-pilot is open to anyone who is willing to learn. So the only real question left is, what will you build first?
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.